Okay, so if you want to change the light fixture outside and you want to replace it with a conduit, you want to get a box like this.
These are weatherproof, seal-proof outdoor gang boxes. They come in 2 to 7 hole configurations and in 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch threads.
So you can connect conduit piping and feed the wire through it. So this you screw in on top, and then you feed the electrical through a conduit, and then that way you can create waterproofed lighting up on your pergola. So this outlet box is a 3/4. So these are 3/4 threads, and they provided you with 2 caps. So those you screw in if you're not going to be using these, but you also have the option. So I always recommend getting 4 because they do come in 2s as well. This is where you're going to feed your wires from these. So all those wires are going to come right through, and this box is going to screw in using those holes right into the old junction box on the inside. And then on top of this, you can either get a cover or you can get something like this. This is a duplex cover. We're going to be hardwiring Google controlled switches, so they're going to be waterproof behind here. So anything you put in here is going to be waterproof as long as you get something like this.
Of course, there's other exterior weatherproof outlet covers for light switches, receptacles, or even ones that are lockable.
Or you can just get a flat cover.